How to open Telegram account without phone number. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Bisnal, and today I'll guide you on how you can open Telegram without phone number. Now, first things first, to get things straight, what you'll have to know is, unfortunately, to log in to Telegram you'll have to require a number because it is the only way the Telegram verifies an account. So the only way to get into Telegram, log into Telegram and start texting on Telegram or use Telegram is through the number once you have verified your phone number to log in. However, if you don't have a number, or if you don't own a number, or you don't want to use your personal number, you can always go and use virtual numbers. Now you can head into your browser on your device and you can search in for virtual number. For OTP, you'll get these links where you'll be able to get virtual numbers for free. So you can use those numbers and you can log into Telegram, start using Telegram. So this way you can open Telegram account without number. Basically you can do it without a physical number, but however you will have to require a number, either virtual or the physical. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.